Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll understand some important technical views also, and we'll find out the important key level for the next week. And along with that, I will share some important reasons for the decline in last week. So everything I will share about the stock market to know the Nifty Bank levels and stock market update. Stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also. So let's first of all share important reason which happened in last week, and that was the important reason also for the decline because you might be knowing that the slight fall for the whole week. Slightly the Nifty Bank fell in last week, and you can see in the chart also that I will discuss later. But first of all, let me share the reason for this fall. You can see from here to here, this fall was not very big reason, but yes, of course, some key factors which have impacted, or I can say affected the Nifty Bank and even Nifty 50 also. And I am, yes, tomorrow Sunday video I'm going to share the Nifty 50 chart also and for important levels. So please watch that video also with the global market update. I will share on Sunday. I will post that video on Sunday. So this is what the important reason was. Like, first of all, the INR is falling, and it is actually trading at its lowest, around lowest level, even around 90 plus भी चला गया था, and 90 around it is INR, Indian rupees, is trading, means $1 is equal to around 90 rupees. So this is the important reason for the Nifty Bank was falling, and the another important key reason was the FII selling continuously whole week. The good FII selling was happening. They have offloaded their money. They have offloaded their in investment amount from the Indian stock market. So FI is selling continuously day by day, means last week at least 3 4 days they have sold. FIs have sold. So this was also an important reason for the fall. And yes, now from next month, new year, the Q3 results update is going to start. तो that एक उसका pressure भी market पे है. Like, the market is expecting very good result, but it is looking like Q3 is also not going that much good. So we have to watch all the Q3 results also in next month, of course. And yes, this is going to be last Nifty Bank वीडियो फॉर दिस ईयर. अच्छे रिजल्ट्स का एक प्रेशर है, एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है, वी कैन से द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ए गुड Q3 अर्निंग. So let's see. So these all 3 4 triggers happening, and of course one more reason is the expectation from the budget in February 1st. So February में एक budget का भी pressure है. Every sector, like defense sector, railway sector, financial sector, banking sector, every sector is expecting a good capex, good budget from the government. So that is also a big expectation from next to next month. So all these things are like putting stock market in some pressure. Important reason triggers which I have discussed for the fall in last week. I will talk short term. Now I will go to the Nifty Bank chart. I will talk short term. I have opened the daily chart, and you can see the same formation I have made last week also. And this, what changes happened in last week, that I will definitely going to discuss and analyze. Which the formation is the same I made in my last week video. I will give that video in link in link in I button, you can see that this formation, this is the triangle, descending triangle pattern. This I have made last week, and I mentioned, I even discussed that we have to watch that is it going to break it, or is it going to break down. And you can see this was formation till last week. Now I will update what all happened, and then you can understand the formation also, the breakout also, the retest, every technical view of the chart you can understand from here. This descending triangle pattern, this trend line, last week even on Monday it has given a breakout from here, and you can see from here it has given a breakout. Candle was very small, not looking that much powerful, and see the effect has happened immediately. The candle was very small, the breakout happened with this very small candle, and from here it has touched the high of 59,400, around 500, and from there it has again uh, it has fallen to the level of this trend line, and see how beautifully it has taken the support here. And this 20 day EMA was broken on Friday, and Friday को ही इसके नीचे इसने open किया. Here you can see this candle. If you want, you can zoom it nicely so that you will understand the every technical things. So see, it has broken this 20 uh, EMA line, blue line, and then exactly taken the support of this trend line here, and it has not even broken it, and even not closed below this trend line. So this is I can say exactly taken the support of this trend line which is around 58,900. I can say 58,900 will be a very important support to watch, that it is going to break downside, or downside this trend line, or it is taking reversal from this support and going back again toward the all time high. We need to watch it next week. But if you see this trend line, if it's broken, okay, so again it may go to the level of this horizontal line, which is again a support of 58,500, or we can say 58,000, sorry 650, 58,650 around again will give a good support to Nifty Bank. तो ये दो level keep in your mind and watch closely. As I am updating this breakout happened, but I can say breakout तो हो गया, but it may retest to the level of 58,900. It is retesting. See, breakout from here, then again went till here, and then again came to this support level, retested. Now we have to watch it, is it retesting and taking reversal from here going back to this level, or it is breaking this and the breakout is failed. This may be a fake breakout also, so we have to watch this. So if it's failing, it will definitely break this level and go down to the level of 58,650. Otherwise, if its breakout is real, it will take reversal and go to the level of 60,100 of all time high. So I have discussed everything in detail. You can understand how it works. According to technical analysis only, I predict the important key levels. I don't know about the news. Nifty Bank may break or may make. So need to watch in next week. Please keep close watch on this support line. You can see this support line is very important. I'm taking the level is 58,900. You have to watch the 58,900 very closely in next week to see that Nifty Bank is making or breaking. एंड एनीवेज 60,100 का लेवल अगेन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस रहेगा ही, जिसको अभी भी ब्रेक करना इट्स नॉट इजी, एटलीस्ट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म. We may expect some good levels in next year in 2026 after Q3 results and after budget. It is possible, it may possible, but अभी के लिए मुझे लगता है कि it will take some time to go to touch this all-time high again of Nifty Bank. I have discussed the important reasons. You have to watch the USD INR, which I am going to discuss tomorrow also in detail. USD INR and even silver gold prices also. I will mention the Nifty Bank levels again. Important support is 58,900 and then 58,650, and important resistance is definitely all time high is 60,100 around. So like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Signing off.